Hey everyone, as you can probably tell, I'm in a very different environment. Not Sweden, not Czechia, but Thailand. We're going to be here for about 2 months and it's not purely a holiday. We are also going to work from here. We are trying to settle into some kind of everyday life. We arrived a few weeks ago and I've been slowly finding my rhythm again. So for me, mornings really set the tone for the whole day. That's why I'm heading to yoga now. It's only a few minutes away, but you have to come early to get your spot. So enough talking and let's go. So the yoga class was absolutely wonderful. I really love this place. It's actually the only place I go to when I'm here, when I want to practice yoga. And it's always so calming. It's just the best way to start your day, I think. And as of 2026, I actually decided to bring more variety into my movement and my exercise routine because in 2025 I focused heavily on running, and while I still really love running, I would like to embrace some other types of exercise. So I'm trying to include yoga more and more into my life, and yoga feels like a really good balance to my running. On my way home I stopped to pick up some fruit for breakfast, and actually it brought me to think how I love most about being here is how simple the life is here. Just hopping on my motorbike and going to a yoga class and just grabbing fruit on the way home. Nothing really feels complicated here, and I just really can't get enough of it. It really brings me this sense of freedom, and we even already have our favorite places here, so the people already recognize us and we recognize them, and we just exchange a few words, how their day is going. And in moments like this it truly does feel like home here. Enough talking for now because I still haven't taken a shower, so it's about time to do that, and then we're finally going to have some breakfast. I cannot wait. still adjusting to being here, and some days it feels easy and others not at all. Anyway, I'm realizing more and more that routines matter to me no matter where I am. Not because I want my days to look perfect, but to feel good both mentally and physically. Being in a new place always throws me off a little, so mornings like this really help me come back to myself. And I'm still figuring things out here, but this feels like a good start. Thank you so much for spending this morning with me, and I'll see you in the next one.